Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold your right earlobe with your left hand and your left earlobe with your right hand. Lift your elbows and do a gentle back bend as you inhale deeply. Exhale and lower into a half squat position, touching the ground with your elbows. Return to the standing position by pushing your feet into the ground. Perform 6 to 12 reps, then switch the crossing of your hands and repeat for the same number of reps. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Hold your right earlobe with your left hand and your left earlobe with your right hand. Crisscross your lower legs with the right leg in front of the left. Exhale as you lower into a deep squatting position. Return to the standing position by pushing your feet into the ground. Keep your mind anchored in the lower abdomen region. Perform 6 to 12 reps, then switch the crossing of your hands and legs and repeat. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Relax.